I'm Johannes, working at Canyon already since 2014. My work focuses on making the most lightweight and most efficient mountain bikes for racing. Exactly the bikes I like to ride myself. So we are living our passion here, and so many passionate people loving their sports, and I think this is one of the key factors for success. We started a very exciting new project where we wanted to rethink the way a mountain bike needs to look, starting from scratch with a completely new shape, and for that we just used topology optimization, cut all the clearances we need on a bike, and then applied all the loads. It doesn't look the way a traditional bike looks, thinking beyond the limits of traditional manufacturing and trying to see what's possible with new technologies like 3D printing. The advantage of having a large-scale 3D printer in-house, we can just print our CAD files to get the real part in the real scale. It saves a lot of time and cost. You can just do the design, print it, check everything on the frame, maybe do some modifications, print it again, and have many loops in a very short time. I'm super curious about 3D printing in future and how it will develop. I mean, it already opened up so many cool chances to save time, to try new designs, just extending all the possibilities of manufacturing. If we imagine that the end product will be 3D printed, then we can also imagine that it is customized to his body proportions, for example, or he can choose a custom geometry, and completely new possibilities also in how a product can look like.